Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make your own wedding minimalist vow book. You can make it for your own wedding or make it as a wedding gift for your friend. Here are the material you need to make the vow book. 4 sheets of A4 paper. I encourage you to use thick paper to make your vow book look more elegant. In my experience, 4 sheets is enough for 2 vow books, but if you need to write more than that, you can add more paper as you like. I will also need white or cream sewing thread, a ruler, a black ink pen, a pencil, ribbon in your favorite color, dry flowers, you can choose any flower you like, paper cutting knife, and a scissor. First, you need to use a ruler and pencil to mark your paper in half like this. Then you use the non-sharp edge of the knife. I hope you can see it. Use this edge to mark the line that divide the paper in half. Then you fold the paper like this. And I forgot that you also need an eraser. Use a pencil to draw his vow and her vow on paper. If you make any mistake, you can use an eraser to erase unwanted lines. If you don't have time to do this step, you can print the text on paper. It's up to you. After finishing the writing with a pencil, I am going to bold the text with black pen to make the text look more elegant. After the lettering is done, the next thing to do is show the notebook. I use a ruler to mark the distance of the needle hole as 2.5 centimeter. I sew the notebook by hand with a needle and thread. Put 2 sheets together like this and use the needle to sew them. The first stitch would be sew from the inside to the outside to hide the knot. And this is how I finish the seam. I am going to sew in the same way with the other book. I use a needle to punch the hole on the paper first. Then I poke the needle inside out to hide the knot, and then I sew like this. And I will tie the knot to finish. Ta-da! The two val books are already stitched. Now I will cut the ribbon to tie the book. I will cut two ribbons. It's about 1.5 meter. You can use cream color like me or use a different color ribbon to match your party tone. And this is how I tie the ribbon and flower to decorate the book. I use baby breath flower to decorate. Cut some flower like this and then I tie the bow. Finally, I cut the tail in a V shape for the ribbon. And I am going to tie the ribbon for the other notebook. And these are the val book in minimalist style. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.